Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, I share how to make delicious ogbono soup with okro. Like guys, you're going to love this soup. It was so delicious and it's easy to come up with. So if you've not made this soup before, watch this video and make this soup, and I bet you'll always love to make the soup. Okay, so to get started, here we have our beef well washed, and as you guys can see, it's in the pot, and I have my stock fish here, right? So I've added it, then add onions to it, seasoning cube, and salt. Add water. And we're going to leave it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, after which you add the kpomo. So cover and leave for another 5 minutes. So once it's 5 minutes, add your ground crayfish, then ground fresh pepper. You can add dried depending on the one you have. Then add water to cook the soup. Cover and leave to boil. So in a plate is the ground ogbono. Add oil and stir everything together. So back to our soup. Add the ogbono. Then give it a very good stir. So cover and leave to boil, and make sure you stir at close intervals. You know, ogbono easily gets burnt. So if it's too thick, you add water. So the consistency depends on choice here. I don't like my ogbono too thick. That was why I added water. So cover for a few minutes. Then you give it a stir, have a taste. So if it needs salt, add, then add seasoning cube if need be. Okay, so here we are adding the cut okra. Guys, try this soup, you're going to love it. It was so delicious. So give it a good stir and leave it to cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you add Uziza leaves. Then you stir to incorporate. Guys, are you seeing the viscosity of this soup? So leave under 2 minutes, and guys, we are good to go. Remove from heat and serve, guys. So you can serve with this with any swallow of choice. Make sure you try this soup. It's easy to come up with, as you guys can see. Thank you so much, and bye.